OLL stands for orientation of loss layer. So OLL comes after F12. If you're not yet checked the F12 video, links are in the description. You can go and check it out. There will be a card on the top of the video. You can go and check it out. And then yeah, so what we'll do in OLL is basically get the yellow cross and solve the yellow face, but some pieces will be misplaced. So those pieces will be placed correctly in the PLL, so that is permutation of loss layer, or OLL stands for orientation of loss layer. So let's go to the first case. So the first case here is a dot, so we can use this formula. From here, make sure that white faces the top, and then the formula you need to use here: if R U R prime U prime F prime, and then next is small f R U R prime U prime and small f prime. So the next case is an L. So in order to get the yellow cross from this L is same. What you need to do here is make sure that white yellow faces top and then white faces down, and here from here small f R U R prime U prime and small f prime. Okay, so the next case here is an LO line. So it is very simple to solve an LO line. Make sure that yellow faces up and white faces down, and then use from here use F R U R prime U prime and F prime. So after getting the yellow cross here, what we need to do is make sure that all the yellow pieces are on the top of the layer. So here some of the yellow pieces are there, so we will make sure that all these pieces are on the top layer. So yeah, the yellow is completely incorrectly solved, like that we could say here. So if you get a case where there are two headlights here like this, you could just call them headlights. So there are two headlights, and in the opposite direction there is no headlight here, and like literally opposite, mirror opposite direction. So and then right side or left side you can see the headlight one here opposite to each other. So what you need to do is go to the right side headlight here, and then you need to apply this formula: R U2 R2 U prime R2 U prime U R2 U2 R. In a case where there are two headlights here and opposite also there are two headlights, what you need to do is take one set of headlights and make sure that they are facing you, and then apply this formula. So F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime and then F prime. So basically F, and then you need to use the Redi algorithm 3 times, and then reverse the F by using F prime. So you get this done here. If you get a fish-like pattern like this, then first what you need to do here is check where the yellow sticker is here. So here for me yellow sticker is on the right side. So if the yellow sticker is on the right side, then this case is called SUNE. So the formula used for the SUNE to get the yellow stickers upwards is R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So it's pretty easy to memorize. The next case is basically in the same fish pattern, but the difference here is the yellow stickers on the left side of the cube. So if that is in the left side of the cube, it is called the anti-SUNE. So same moves like the SUNE, but what in the left side, we need to apply that on the left side. So here we are going to start from L prime U prime L U prime L prime U2 L. If you get a case where two yellow corner pieces are on the top, and then you get two yellow corner pieces on the down, and then they form a headlight like this case is called the U case, and if you get a case like this, what you need to do here is from the right headlight, apply this formula: R2 D R prime U2 R D prime R prime U2 R prime. If you run into this case where it's basically like the U case which we talked about earlier, but it's not like this, the headlights are not in the same phase but they are opposite to each other like this, then what you need to do is face down and make sure that the white is facing you, and then from the left side what you need to do is L U R prime U prime L prime, and then U R U prime. So this case what you need to do is, like, this is called the, we can just say this is an L case. So if you see from here, the two headlights are actually covering this slot here, or you could just say this slot is between these two headlights. If you get a case like this, or if you get like this design, like one pieces on the one yellow pieces on the yellow corner pieces on the corner, and then it other one is opposite on the opposite corner. So if you get a case like this, what you need to do here is, from here, first make sure that you are on the right side. Make sure that you are facing the right side, and from the right side what you need to do here is R prime U R D prime R prime U prime R D. So if you do it, we can actually make sure that all the pieces can come up to the yellow phase. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. So let me show you the preview of next tutorial which I'm going to do here. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So if you like this video, share to the persons who like Rubik's Cube. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting at? Just go and click the subscribe button. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks.